A shipping service restricts the dimensions of the boxes it will ship for a certain type of service. Okay? The restriction states that for boxes shaped like rectangular prisms, boxes, the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box and the height of the box cannot exceed 130 inches. All right, the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box. So let's draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. Here's my box that I'm drawing. All right, so length, width, the sum of the perimeter of the base of the box. So the base of the box is LWLW, so two L's plus two W's. And there was something else here of the base of the box. And the height of the box, so plus H, cannot exceed, so must be less than or equal to 130 inches. All right, just getting stuff written down because I don't read these problems ahead of time, so I just want it written down. The perimeter of the base is determined using the width and the length of the box. Yes. If a box has a height of 60 inches and the length is 2.5 times the width, so let's change some things. All right, let's change some things. The length is 2.5 times the width. So now I have the length is 2.5 times the width, plus two widths, and it mentioned that the height is 60 plus 60 has got to be less than or equal to 130. Okay, which inequality shows the allowable width of the box. All right, so let's move this stuff up here. They're using X instead of W. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite that. 2 times 2.5 W is now going to be 5X. Plus 2W is now going to be plus 2X plus 60 is less than or equal to 130. 7X, if I subtract both sides by 60, I get 70, divide by 7, divide by 7, and moving it down here, X is going to be less than or equal to 10. Now, they're giving me an in-between because you can't have negative measurements. So at the end of the day, what I have is my X, which is my width, has got to be 10 inches or smaller, but also bigger than 0. So the answer is A. Kind of weird. Didn't like it, but we figured it out the way that I did it, so it works. Very sloppy. Don't like that.